Hi, I'm Andy Akers, owner and operator of Akers Outdoor Plumbing.
And I'm Ryan, and today we're continuing our series on some of the most frequently asked questions.
So Ryan, we get asked all the time, we get calls on water backing up. What's going on?
Yeah, it could be a whole number of things, but typically it's the main sewer line backing up. Usually they have a blockage on the outside of their home that's causing the water to come back into the house.
Usually when you get water backing up through a floor drain, a floor shower, maybe a basement shower, then you know you got something going on. The toilets aren't flushing well. That's probably a pretty good indication that they got something down that line, whether it's roots or some other obstruction, broken pipe that's causing the backup, right?
Also, too, what we find is a customer will call us, say, hey, I'm inside my house, I'm getting a really funny smell. I'm not sure what it is, but it stinks. That can also be one of the tall tale signs that you may be experiencing a sewer backup. Over time also, concrete pipe, as the water's been running down the pipe for 40, 50, 60 years, the bottom of the concrete pipe actually starts to melt into the ground, and you no longer have a bottom of the pipe. All the water and sewage is just running on dirt.
And what happens is we call that a belly. It gets that belly in there, it holds water, stuff, same thing, dams up, plugs up, and there you go, another backup.
Yeah, and the clay pipe is almost the opposite, where it'll start cracking from the top. Roots will get in, it'll crack the pipe, and then the toilet paper will start getting caught on some of that stuff that's obstructing it down the way and lead to the water backing up into your house and causing a stinky situation, we might call it.
So it's not unusual if you have a lot of trees on your property for the trees to grow down, especially in these older homes where they got clay or concrete. The roots grow down, they grow in through the bells and actually into the pipe, and they'll grow down the pipes, and next thing you know, you got a backup. So it's a good idea, as a recommendation, if they have older pipes, to make sure and have them inspected and cleaned periodically.
Yeah, and then once we do that camera inspection, we determine exactly what your specific cause of the backup is. We have a lot of options that we can determine what's best for you, whether it's doing a trenchless pipe burst, a trenchless liner installation, or if it's just something where we can dig down and just do a spot repair. We have all the technology for all of that.
Absolutely, Ryan.
So Andy, they've called the Akers team, we've come out, we've done a camera inspection, we've determined the cause of the blockage. Why don't you close us out with the Akers guarantee?
The Akers guarantee is we give them the best products, the best service, the best trenchless options in the business, all with the best warranty, and that's the Akers guarantee.